Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to cancel an Instacart order. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to cancel an Instacart order, what you need to do is head over and open up your app. Once you open up your app, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, in order to cancel the order, what you need to do is tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen, and then on tapping here you'll be getting three options, that is order, settings and help, right? Tap on the orders, and now if you have made an order, all the orders will be listed just right here. All you gotta do is just simply select the order, and once you tap on the order, there you'll find an option that says cancelled order. Simply tap on it and then follow the instructions to successfully cancel your order. And that's what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.